is not a flower or the sun, but the moon that glows when the day is done. My wife is not the flowing stream, but the stones beneath that make it gleam. My wife is not a field of flowers, but the tree beside that knows no hours. My wife is not the roaring sea, the waves that crash, the waves that heave, but the current below that runs so deep. I watch her stand in flowing calm, her arms upraised and supplicating, a priestess now and initiating a spirit song or dance. I watch them as they round her prance. My wife is not to this world bound, her feet too light for solid ground, her soul and body with the spirit soar. This is the woman.